Meaning of extravagance.
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 Extravagance. Extravagance refers to the act of spending money excessively or wastefully, beyond what is necessary or reasonable. It involves indulging in luxurious and unnecessary expenses, often driven by a desire for status or social recognition. This behavior can have negative consequences, such as financial difficulties or debt, and can lead to a distorted sense of priorities and values. Ultimately, extravagance can result in a loss of control over one's finances and create a cycle of unsustainable spending habits.